Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to see your gift card credit on iPhone. So if you have an iTunes gift card and you want to see how much credit you have, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is open App Store. Do not open iTunes. Don't be confused, alright? Open App Store. And App Store is this one right here. So just one tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can see your profile at the top right. So if you don't see your profile, what you can do is just tap on the apps icon at the middle bottom right here. So you see right here it says apps, so you just tap on that and you should see your profile up here. So just one tap on the profile at the top right, and right here, as you notice, it says credit. So I have $0.08, which means I have 8 cents only. So let's say you have 5 credits, $5, all right, $5, and you buy an app for $6. So here's how it's gonna work. It's going to charge you $5 from the credit right here, from the iTunes credit, and it's going to charge you the extra dollar from a different account. All right. I want to talk about. Let's see. If I buy an app now for $1, let's say, I'm not going to be charged $1, but I'll be charged for 92 cents because I have 8 cents credit here. All right. So here's how you see your credit, and I hope that you got an idea about how the iTunes credit works. Alright, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you can let me know and I'll be able to help you. Alright everybody, I'll see you all in the upcoming videos.